Hi there, welcome to the second episode of our learning session. Today we're going to talk about the concept of fouling. For some of you, it sounds familiar. The concept of fouling is caused by dirt and other particles that attach themselves on the heat exchanger surface of the ACC. This layer reduces the heat transfer between the hot and cold media, directly decreasing the efficiency of your ACC. Dirt layers are reducing the cooling effect of the ACC, directly impacting plant performance. You therefore need to regularly clean your ACC to avoid such performance losses. Even worse, if you don't perform regular cleaning of your ACC, the fouling layers become hard and removing them will eventually become impossible. So your bundles will become irreparably damaged and you have to replace them. With the data we collect in ACC 360, we can tell you how regularly you need to clean your ACC, which in turn also reduces the cost of unnecessary cleaning and helps you preserve water. What performance improvement of the ACC to expect from cleaning, and then in turn also the increase of the net output of your power plant.